Well. Hey, folks, you here at St.Albert Dodge. Check out this Hydro Blue 2022 Ram Sport Lifted. We got a 6-inch lift in this baby. We got some 35 Duratrack tires. Comes with a sport performance hood. Good LED lights. Got our backup sensor. Sorry, we got our front sensors up here. Comes with the blackout edition. Let me get over here. Check out those rims, folks. They're beautiful, beautiful tires. Proximity key, deployable running boards. This thing is loaded, got it all. I love the color matched fender flares. Comes with the bigger, they got a name on them, but bud flaps. Got some backup sensors back here. This thing's ready to go, ready to tow. Love the blackout logo. Soft dampening tailgate. No spraying box liner yet, but we can do that. Check out the inside. It's loud. Hey folks, thanks for sticking around, checking out the interior of this 2022 Ram Sport 6-inch lift. This thing is a beauty. If you want options, this thing has it. Start over here. We got our seating positions. Not even going there. I got in enough trouble last night. The wife seen one of my short joke videos. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We got the power paddles. Let me get up here. That's the deployable running boards. Gotta love that for getting in this lifted up thing. Standard on all our steering wheels. We got our Bluetooth on our left, our controls for our cluster here. On our right, we got our cruise control, our gear ratio. On the back, we got our toggle switches for radio stations and volume. Folks, this thing has it all. Whoops, I started it by mistake, but look at this screen. It's got heated, ventilated seats. It's got your front and back sensors off. Lots of storage. This thing does come with a cell phone charger. Lots of space. I love these consoles here, which I found out recently. You put this back. My wife puts her purse in there, then she folds it forward. You'll never know it's there. One thing I do like about this thing, it has the sunroof, folks. Fully panoramic sunroof. Very, very rare these days. Also a universal garage door opener. It's got an Alpine system in it. It's just an all-around great truck. If you like what you see, give me a shout. 780-220-3822. Come on down, get this thing out and get her dirty today. We'll see you soon.